Yes, friends, we are together again, and today I want to share with you what is happening in the Tanzanian railways, especially the TRC, Tanzania Railway Authority, whereby after a long time of waiting, now they are coming with another style. Of course, it's electric train, but it's not like the other one, which has already arrived, and you know that they are doing tests in SGR in Dar es Salaam, especially Dar es Salaam to Morogoro. But today I want to tell you about the EMU, Electric Multiple Unit. These are kind of the sharpened head trains, of which are very scarce in Africa. In fact, in African countries, only you can find in Egypt, which was introduced long ago, about 1987. In Ethiopia, it was introduced in 2015, and South Africa also 2015. Also, you can find it in Morocco, Nigeria, Algeria, and Tunisia. It's a kind of train whereby it's called a multiple unit train consisting of self-propelled carriages using electricity as the motive power. Yeah, it uses electricity as a motive power. An EMU requires a separate locomotive as electric traction motors are incorporated within one OM number of carriages. So an EMU is usually formed of two or more semi-permanently coupled carriages, but electrically powered single unit rail cars are also generally classified as EMU. So in Tanzania, apart from the normal electric trains that we have seen through even my former videos that are doing tests in Tanzanian SGR. Remember, SGR is only the railway, standard rail gauge. But now in Korea, South Korea, the Hyundai Lotte is doing some first tests of its EMU that are going to be imported soon to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I told you from the previous video that by March this year, this EMU trains should already been sent to Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. So these are the EMU. They will be working together with the electric train that you've already seen in my previous videos. Only that these EMU were still under construction, and now the first one is already constructed, and now it is been doing the first tests within the country which is fabricating them, that is Korea, South Korea, by the Hyundai Lotte. So when they finish their tests, then they can also shift it or transport it to Dar es Salaam so that it can also be tested in our own homeland to see if it can adapt the situation of the Tanzanian SGR. Right now, we are waiting just an official opening for the rest of the electric trains that have already arrived. See my former video where I showed the 3 other new electric train heads were downloaded from the ship. So today we see also the first EMU for Tanzania is already for transportation. They are doing final tests, then they will bring it to Tanzania. Just to remind you, until today, the fastest train in Africa is called Alborak, which it goes to up to 320 km per hour and is found in Morocco. It was inaugurated in 2018. So maybe the completion of the AMU of TRC, Tanzania Railway Authority, trains maybe will increase the number of trains, electric trains in Africa. Not only that, but also EMU, because also, to have an electric train is one thing, but to have an EMU, that is multiple unit train, this is another level. So I believe these EMUs will go even further with higher speed than that electric train that we have already built. Mind that the current trains that are under tests in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, they go up to 160 km per hour, which is already a good step ahead. Now we are waiting for these electric multiple unit trains to see if they can go beyond this speed. And in short, I'll be giving you some details. Thank you for watching and continue to collaborate in my YouTube channel.
Before work's off my list, what's left to do, just guess. It's you, my favorite, but I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets, you on my lips, I'm feeling the heat. That's all I need. When a day's gone, we've only begun. That's the best part, when we get it on. I'm addicted, no denying it, 'cause you don't cross my mind, you live in it. I wanna taste you and feel you shake, raising an earthquake. Can't push the brakes when a rush hits. We're going in, we're going in. You keep me biting my cheek, year after year. Only gets better, I'm weak in the knees. We hit the sheets.